Hey, Sam Robinson here. Welcome to this bonus page for Dropmock Scene Creator. This is a new tool from the Dropmock crew that allows you to be able to create a full scene yourself to be able to use in marketing material or even provide that service for clients. So if you're currently paying a lot of money for designers to be able to set up mock-ups and things like that, for your sales pages, for landing pages, for any sort of promotional material you might be using for your softwares and things, this is perfect for you. I've been playing around with this tool. You've been able to put like desks in and laptops and computer screens and add your own website images in and everything like that. It makes it super simple. So with that said, let's jump on over onto the laptop and have a look at how Dropmock, the scene creator part of Dropmock, works right now.
Let's go to create scene. So create scene is basically a composition of a lot of elements and objects that you could easily drag and drop to create a scene. So for example, under desks, you could click this and it will load up onto the canvas. And by dragging an anchor point, you could resize it. And I recommend that you only drag it by the corners, because if you drag it on the side, it's okay, but some objects are not really good when it's distorted. Okay, so let's drag it by the corners and let's make that bigger. And then you'll notice we have a few buttons here. So you could delete it if you want. You could move it upward or topmost. You could move it a little downward or bottommost. So you'll understand how this works if you've worked with layers before. So for example, you want it to move backwards or forwards. Let's try first to add more objects. So let's see what else is here. So we have also screens, this is my favorite part. So we have a lot of screens available here, sorry. We have laptops in different angles. We also have desktops. Let's try this one. And then let's resize that. Okay. So if, for example, you have put this first and then the desk afterward, you could just easily press the button here and move it upward so it will show up above the desk rather than below it or behind it. Okay. So the screens here work like the image mockups. We also have phones as well. That's good. They work like image mockups in a sense that you could add an image within the screens. So let's try a website. And let's crop it a bit. Okay. Okay, there. Let's crop and create an image. And hopefully it will show up on the desktop. Let's see. Okay, there you go. Let's move it back. That's good. And then let us add a few more things so that it will look more interesting. Let's add a clock maybe. And let's resize that as well. It's very easy to make a scene here. Right? Okay. Let's add what else? Let's see what are the items here. What can we use here? Okay. Oh, we have decorations, just random decorations for your desk as well. What else? We could add a chair. We could add accessories. Yes, we need an accessory. Let's move that. And let's add a keyboard. Okay, I think that's good. And maybe a book. Yes, an open book. Okay. So let's drag that here and make it a little bit smaller. Okay. And lastly, let's change the background. Oh, we could also add text if you want. Okay, let's change the background, maybe to something like this. And after that, once you're happy with it, we could export the scene and it will save automatically onto your PC as well. Let's view that. Let's just see. Okay, that looks good. Okay. So that's it. That is Dropmock for you. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy.
Cool, so there we have it. That's Dropmock Scene Creator. Now, if you already have previous versions of Dropmock, you are going to have a number of different options just for the scene creator part. There's a few different ways to go about that. Some of them will be detailed down below on this bonus page. I have emailed about it as well if you're here on this page through my email, and also on the Dropmock sales page when it goes live, there'll be plenty of info there for those existing Dropmock users to just upgrade their account with this as well. So this is Sam. I hope you enjoyed using this, and you can go out and start saving money by not spending money on designers, and also being able to profit by selling this as part of a service if you like with Dropmock Scene Creator. I look forward to hearing of your success with this.